where the sky's the limit, Aviation X Lab is redefining your air travel experience. Welcome to the forefront of aviation innovation, where brilliant minds unite to transform your journey. Aviation X Lab is more than a program, it's a visionary quest. Our collaboration with industry giants is set to revolutionize your travel experience. In Cycle 3, we're embarking on a journey to reimagine your passenger experience. From the moment you think of booking a flight, we're making your journey effortless and convenient, with streamlined check-in experiences. Say goodbye to the hassle of luggage handling. We're working on solutions to ensure your belongings are treated with the utmost care. Your journey doesn't end with takeoff. We're crafting in-flight experiences that are uniquely tailored to your preferences, making every moment of your flight truly memorable. At Aviation X Lab, our grand vision is to co-create solutions under the themes of sustainability and mobility for the entire travel ecosystem. To bring this vision to life, we're exploring cutting-edge technologies. Robotics under mobility and AI under sustainability are our guiding stars. Our partners GE, Collins Aerospace, Thales, Emirates Group and Airbus are contributing their expertise to make these innovations a reality. We invite you to be a part of this remarkable journey, to be inspired and to join us in co-creating the future of aviation. Aviation X Lab, where the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. To get involved and be a part of this revolution, visit our website today and help us shape the future of air travel.